have a question from Morgan in White Oak. Morgan asked for advice on whether her family will be able to live in the house while it's being remodeled. That's a great question and one we hear all the time. The answer is sometimes yes, sometimes no. It really depends on the size and the scope of the project. No matter what, our goal is to make the process as clean, safe, and manageable as possible. For smaller projects, most homeowners can stay in the home with minimum disruption. For larger renovations, especially kitchens, multiple bathrooms, or whole floor remodels, living through construction can become more challenging. That's where planning and communication become incredibly important. One of the biggest concerns people have is dust, and honestly, they should. Remodeling creates a lot of dust, but professional dust control makes a huge difference. At Rock Island, we use containment barriers, floor protection, HEPA air scrubbers, and daily cleanup procedures to help isolate the work area and keep the rest of your home livable. Our crews understand they're working in someone's home, not just a construction site. Another concern is construction traffic. During a remodel, there will be tradespeople coming and going throughout the day, materials being delivered, and periods of noise during working hours. To keep things organized, we establish designated entry points, protect walkways and flooring, and maintain daily site management so the project stays controlled and professional. And then there's the practical side of everyday life. Will you still have a bathroom? Can you use your kitchen? Where do the kids or pets go during the day? If a kitchen is being remodeled, many families create a temporary kitchen setup with a microwave, coffee maker, mini fridge, and a few essentials in other parts of the house. If the bathroom is under renovation, we work carefully on scheduling and sequencing so homeowners can have access to the necessary facilities whenever possible. That said, there are projects where temporarily relocating is simply the better option, especially if utilities are interrupted, multiple living spaces are affected, or the entire home is under construction. And don't forget to check on your insurance coverage. Your homeowner's policy may provide coverage, but that type of policy works only if you're occupying your home. It usually has a limit of consecutive days your home is unoccupied. Usually the cap is 60 consecutive unoccupied days. If you will be living somewhere else, please check with your agent. They may recommend some different coverage, like that provided by a builder's risk policy. The most important thing is setting realistic expectations before the project begins. The remodel is temporary, but the way the project is managed has a huge impact on your daily life during construction. At Rock Island, we believe a well-run remodeling project should feel organized, respectful, and thoughtfully planned from start to finish. Thanks for your question. Every home has a story. Every renovation starts with questions. If you're thinking about remodeling and have some questions of your own, send them through the contact form at our website at rockislandrealty.com. Maybe we can help. This is Dear Rock Island.